Hello and welcome. In this video, we will cover the basics of the Dynatrace platform and how it can help you. Now, before I get started, I would like to share with you my Dynatrace Launchpad. This Launchpad is accessible to everyone, and it has all of the information that I'm going to share with you today. So, if you're looking to explore more into the topics that I will cover today, or if you're just looking for inspiration to make your very own Launchpad, then you can go check the link in the description to this video. What is the Dynatrace platform? In a nutshell, the platform delivers analytics and automation for unified observability and security, built for the cloud to monitor at hyperscale. It contributes to a world where software works perfectly and helps boost your business by turning data into analytics, faster, cost-effectively, and securely. Dynatrace enables you to make preventative decisions with your data rather than reacting with the help of its Davis AI, empowering answer-driven automation across biz DevOps with precise answers and secure integrations. Dynatrace is there to help you ingest all of your data, regardless of the type. For example, traces, logs, or user behavior. What makes us unique here is that we can ingest all of your observability data into one platform. To help ingest your data to Dynatrace, we use our Dynatrace One agent. You can drop it onto your infrastructure or on your Kubernetes environment, and the One agent will start capturing all of your data immediately. Now, in addition to our agent, we offer several other ingest methods like OpenTelemetry or our API to send your data to Dynatrace. Now, additionally, for those of you with standardized infrastructures, you can use Dynatrace extensions to ingest your data. All of the data ingested into Dynatrace will be handled by the Open Pipeline, which takes care of ingesting, processing, and persisting your data from any source, any format, and any scale. You can use the Open Pipeline to filter, mask, enrich, and transform your data, meet your regulatory and privacy requirements, help you save costs, and ensure that the data is stored in the context utilizing the Dynatrace Semantic Dictionary. Once processed, the data is stored in Grail's Dynatrace purpose-built data lakehouse, built to store all of your observability, business, and security data at an exabyte scale. Grail enables real-time contextual analytics and creates the foundation for the built-in Dynatrace solutions. Dynatrace solutions have many use cases in observability, security, analytics, and automation. And you can create even custom solutions on top of Dynatrace to meet your unique business requirements. Essentially, Dynatrace is there to pull together all of your data, no matter where it is or what form it's in, and then help you translate it into meaningful analytics that you can work with, allowing you to do more with your data. What is Dynatrace for, and how can it help you? Dynatrace is really for any business driven by data, from data interactions to the number of business transactions. We work with a wide range of customers and partners from across all verticals, including finance, healthcare, retail, technology, telecommunications, manufacturing, and government. With these companies, our platform is used by many professional roles interested in gaining insights and visibility into their user experiences, application infrastructures, and digital experiences that impact these businesses. These could be infrastructure engineers, cloud engineers, application owners, business analysts, or something else entirely. To help you get a better understanding of how Dynatrace can help you, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the platform, highlighting several apps and their related roles. We will section it into 4 sections: unified operations, cloud operations, application teams, and business stakeholders. This will basically show you how each type of professional role can benefit and get value from using Dynatrace straight out of the box. And if one section sparks your interest and meets your business requirements more than the others, then you can go ahead and skip using the timestamps in the video's description. Let's jump into the platform. Today I am using the Discover Dynatrace environment, a demo environment that already has some data. Actually, you have access to this environment. So if you would like to play around with the platform and have no commitment whatsoever, then we welcome you to use our Discover Dynatrace environment. Now let's take a look around the platform, shall we? When you enter the platform for the very first time, you're going to be welcomed by your Launchpad. In your Launchpad, you have everything you need to get started. Fun fact about Launchpads, they are completely customizable and is what I'm using to share all of this information with you today. These Launchpads are shareable and can be a great resource for different teams within your organization to show them what is most interesting for them at the time. Next, let's take a look at the left-hand side here. Here we have the dock, which is completely collapsible. Here you can have access to all of the apps you need. And in the dock, you can pin those that you're actively working on for easy access. At the bottom here, we have the support button, which is important to be aware of as it has the potential resources that you might need whilst being on the platform. For example, documentation, community, and live chat. Everything on the Dynatrace platform is an app. So to see all the apps available, we can direct here. Here we can search for anything that we would like. Let's start with Infrastructure and Operations app to see our host view. Now, if I wanted to get to another app whilst I was in this app, I can actually just use a shortcut, Control-K, and the search bar will come up. A good place to start to look over your environments would be the Discovery and Coverage app. This app can be useful for all users and is aimed at ensuring enterprise-wide visibility to help discover coverage gaps. Here we get an oversight of all of the hosts are covered and given the option to connect those that are not already covered. For professionals responsible for maintaining and optimizing infrastructures such as infrastructural engineers, DevOps, FinOps, and IT operations, we know it's important for you to know the health of your data centers, servers, network, and critical infrastructure components and services. Dynatrace's AI, called Database AI, helps you better operate, scale, and cost optimize on your on-premises virtual and cloud infrastructure. The Dynatrace platform out of the box provides several apps that help give you visibility of what's going on in your infrastructure and help you focus on the data. First one to mention would be the Infrastructure and Operations app that gives you a better picture of what is happening in your environments. You can check the host status and see if there are any vulnerabilities, problems, and logs from this very high overview. And for those on cloud systems, another high overview app to take advantage of would be the Clouds app. That gives an overview of your environment from all the services in just one app. And for your databases, well, you could look at the Databases app. A good app to have on hand for everyone would be the Problems app. Here you can view, filter, and chart a list of active and closed problems. This app helps you dive deep into the problems, show relevant log data in context to stay up to date with notifications and identify the root cause of those incidents. For professionals responsible for maintaining cloud infrastructures, such as cloud native and site reliability engineers, we know it's extremely important to visualize all of your infrastructure within one place. For those working on Kubernetes environments, we have a dedicated Kubernetes app that gives you oversight of your infrastructure, clearly showing information and health status of your clusters, nodes, and pods, and ensuring Kubernetes performance and security. If part of your environment is unhealthy, you'll be clearly able to see it highlighted in red, such as in the workloads here. And we can take a deeper look at each workload to review the logs, problems, and vulnerabilities. The Kubernetes app comes with several ready-to-use dashboards, allowing you to troubleshoot and optimize your cluster faster. And we know how important it is to make sure that your new releases don't affect any of your infrastructure, which brings me to the next app, the Site Reliability Guardian app. This app provides quality gates, enabling you to check your releases before they are pushed to production by assigning SLOs or security and observability thresholds. And then you can see the issues the releases potentially create and act upon this information accordingly. For professionals responsible for the performance of their applications, such as application developers, product owners, and application support teams, we understand that it is crucial for you to have a detailed trail of how your applications run, and we know that you don't want to be responsible for building and deploying vulnerable code. That's why the platform has the following apps to help you secure your code and help you identify when it's not. The Logs app allows you to have fast exploration of your logs, helping you see what's happening behind the scenes. Seeing detailed information about the potential application errors, warnings, and exceptions to help you identify patterns, troubleshoot, and analyze potential bottlenecks to help you optimize your applications and reduce costs. Just as important as knowing how your applications are performing is knowing how the different parts of your application interact. As an application owner, you likely want to know about this. For this, we recommend using our distributed traces apps, which allows you to browse and find traces within your environment. This is for professionals who are interested in leveraging observability data to make informed and strategic decisions about their organization's technologies. This could be for C-level, marketing, business analysts, product managers, sales teams, and many more. The Dynatrace platform allows you to create your very own dashboards, allowing you to see and focus on insights gained from your observability data regarding your broader business goals and operational efficiency. Here is an example of a dashboard created for an e-commerce site that shows the most important information to this business user for oversight of their observability data. And finally, it's important that no matter what part of the organization that you're in, that you're able to collaborate and discuss your observability data to escalate your issues or share your findings with other colleagues. And for this, the platform offers the Notebook app. Here, you're able to create data-driven documents for any custom analytics and then share them with your colleagues for collaboration, where you can give them editing or read-only access as you wish. In this video, we've covered the very basics of the functionality of the Dynatrace platform, and we've done this in relation to the prospective professional roles in your organization to give you a better overview of what is Dynatrace and how it could be useful for you. Now, if you would like to explore more of what I've been explaining in this video today, then you can go visit this Launchpad, where you'll find all the apps, resources, and even GitHub tutorials to get you started. And if you've enjoyed this video today, remember to give us a like, comment, or even a share. See you soon!